Hi Shivesh and Ashi, welcome to Zurich. Your journey starts here. Get ready to finish your task, solve the clue and off you go. From Sprungli Street comes your big task, a tower of joy, not too much to ask. On Lake Zurich where the waters sway, build a sugar mountain as your ferry drifts away. Honestly, sounds magical.
I just ignored the first part because he got so excited. I was like, chalo, ye to sort ho jayega. He knows what to do now. And I read the second part and I was like, yes, ferry.
Today we have a fountain frolic day planned for you. Solve this riddle to know your first destination to begin your tasks. I rise like a dream in a cocoa stream, a golden drop in a chocolatier's beam. I don't give water but something sweet, a flowing treat you'd love to eat. Find me flowing and take a selfie. We're in Switzerland. We're in Zurich. Sweet fountain. Okay, let me Google if there is any chocolate fountain in... Aha! There's a Lindt chocolate factory that has a 9-meter tall chocolate fountain.
So it says, hi Archana, Parmeet, Aishman, Ariman. Welcome to Zurich. Today is going to be a day of fun and puzzles. Solve the puzzle and head to your first location.
Okay.
Now this is the clue. Make your way where the waters play. Find your way to Mitten, Key, whatever. Boats glide smooth, ducks just sway. A clue awaits that will guide your way. This is very cryptic and this is very poetic, yes, but very difficult to understand, especially since it is the first clue. So we have to go somewhere where the boats are like docked and where the ducks are. So water.
Let's go.
Let's head. Let's head.
Let's find
Okay.
Today we have dance-worthy day planned for you. Solve this riddle to know your first destination to begin your tasks. Scan the QR. Promise it's not a scam. The beat is your guide, so bring on the glam. Follow the map. The steps are the key. Nail the groove. Your next clue's free.
So as soon as I read Sprungli, I was very happy because I knew it's going to be in the desert zone and I love that place. And as soon as I read mountain, that visual of their very classic Macron mountains came to my head.
Excuse me.
On the Lake Zurich where the waters sway, build a show. So
So
chalo Lake Zurich.
we have to do that only. I
Okay.
think. Lake Zurich. हाँ, इधर ही
Should we?
निकल
एक second देना, clue देना.
I think second one we'll get 37 minutes.
I am telling Ashi that I know where the ferry is and Ashi is constantly
Because-
showing me this map which is 37 minutes away and she's like, no, we are going to the wrong place.
वो नहीं है
इसलिए तो
लेक
मैं-
ज्यूरिक. लेक ज्यूरिक हमें ट्रैम लेके जाना पड़ेगा. फेरी देखता है ना कहाँ आती है.
आशी हम तो पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं.
He was so
Clueless. And at that time I questioned myself saying, was Ashi right about going to that spot 37 minutes away and have I actually brought her to the wrong spot?
Lindt home of chocolate. Okay, lovely. There's this big fountain which is made of real chocolate and it's smelling lovely. Now that you're inside the Lindt home of chocolate, here is the next part of the riddle. Solve it to find your next pit stop, where chocolate flows in triple streams of white, dark and milky dreams. Sniff and skip to where they play. Taste the fountain trio on display. Now there are 3 fountains, not just one. There is milk chocolate, there is white chocolate, and then there's my favorite dark chocolate. I asked the information desk and it's on the 2nd floor. So I get to the triple chocolate fountain. Honestly, I really wanted to sit and devour all the chocolates and the samples that were available. Clue, where's the clue? But there was no time because we're on the clock.
Clue, 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 clue.
I met Daniel, who's really sweet. I was looking. Thank you. Let's do that. Thank you. How do I say let's go in German? Komeko?
Yeah.
In Hindi we say chalo. Do you want to say that?
Chalo.
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 Chalo, chalo.
Okay, let's go.
It's something related to steps, so we are trying to figure if there's anything around Magthal. I just want that we go towards the clue and not go away from the clue because it's going to cost us a lot of time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Follow the map. Your stage is in sight. The song's in your hand. The vibe feels right. You've got the moves. Now make them land. One good groove and you'll rule this land.
It says that we have an audio and we have to create a music video. Cross means that is our next location.
I think it's going to be like a treasure hunt, no? I think that's the vibe I'm getting. That'll be like the challenge. Ki how do you get with a public transport from point A to point B and not make any mistakes? Yes, the station is there.
So when we're trying to find out where this Mithun K, whatever it is, we are not very sure that we are standing on the right side of the road. It's very confusing for us to know which exact bus will take us till where. Okay, so now we're waiting for the bus to take us there.
तो अभी अपने पास 4 मिनट है गाना लगा जल्दी 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 मैं स्टेप्स सेट करता हूँ
रुक जा एक मिनट.
मैं डांस सेट करूँगा तू लोकेशन सेट कर ठीक है तो पहला स्टेप करेंगे 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8
Navigation is easier as there are so many trams and buses available. It's not just any music video. We have to kind of show all the attractions and the
and I just
places.
said that it's going to be easy for the first time but it's not 5 6 7 go hoop cha hoop cha hoop cha hoop cha
ये देखिए इधर जा ऊपर जा.
हाँ ये बेटर है I think we'll take it from here we don't have to go there
Go for it.
Please, bro. We were so excited. We just took out all the macaroons, then placed it all over, and then we were like, no, we need to work strategically for this one. And
Yeah.
because they were not balancing एक दूसरे के ऊपर, ये टिक ही नहीं
उनका
रहा.
जैसे stand.
You're making
Beautiful.
अच्छा. ये क्या है? अभी इतना ऑर्डर कचरा हो गया कुछ क्या है ये
Excuse me. Ashi.
मैंने टच कर रुको
In that moment, I think it was a test of patience. It was a test of friendship. Actually, these are the moments that make me question this friendship. So, पहले नीचे की layer कर complete. Ashi. Pyramid has collapsed thrice in front of my eyes because Ashi has pulled out the first layer after I'm already on the
Guys,
third layer.
रुको
It's done. Thank you.
So when we arrive, this guy called Florian approaches us and tells us, here's your wetsuit, here's your life jacket. And we're like, okay, so clearly this task is in the water.
My first thought is at this moment, it's quite cold, I don't want to get wet.
Suddenly seeing them in wetsuits, of course you get the idea that it's water now.
The
And-
water is there,
and
but if they have to go into the water, it's going to be freezing. Split into 2 teams and reach the next clue. 2 ways to float, 2 styles to steer. Split into 2, have no fear. One team sits, the other must gear. Stand up and paddle or pedal your way. The bridge holds your clue, no time to delay.
So it's very clear we have to pedal the boat.
So now we're in our wetsuits and we're like, okay, let's start this. What are we going to do now? And he takes us to this entire area where there's this board which I've not really seen before. And he's like, okay, you have to now do stand-up paddle. And I'm like, okay, this is new.
I don't know if they can balance. This
No,
thing is difficult.
I am very sure they will balance.
I guess we will try not to fall in the water.
So I'm super worried that he's going to fall in. But I'm sure that we'll manage.
We'll manage. We have to manage.
Yeah.
We've been given the easier task to do because if he and I had to paddle, that would be a sight to see.
Okay, 1 minute.
Bridge is this way. At first, I was very confused that there's a big expanse of water. How can there be a bridge which is not visible from far?
Today I did legs in the gym. There's a bridge.
The bridge. I thought it's going to be a bridge across the water. It's a bridge on land. But the clue is going to get dropped to us.
Yes!
We retrieved it from the water. Yes.
A lot of hard work. This paddling is not easy, especially against the wind and the water. It's quite challenging.
Don't waste time, Ayush. Don't waste time. It's okay, Ari. Take it. Take it.
Take the clue.
And now, the decider. Hey, do it. Shot there.
कोई है हमारे सामने.
I'm going to win it.